Hello, it's Monday the 5th. I'm FX Blue and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. And the headlines today are that Brexit optimism fades over financial services deal, the EU finance ministers meet today, and the dollar is supported ahead of the midterms. So sterling had its second best week of 2018 last week, but this week brings back the same old Brexit doubts as neither side has confirmed any progress on the financial services deal, and Brussels has made no comment after Dominic Raab claimed a deal is possible by November the 21st. Ireland remains the main stumbling block, with all sides keen to have their say about a backstop to ensure that there will never be a permanent border between the North and the Republic. Construction activity on Friday showed the UK sector better than expected, but the outlook is still negative as the construction sector employs so many EU nationals, so any restriction on the free movement of labour will have dire consequences. Cable gave back many of its recent gains, falling to 129.50 on Friday. The Italian Finance Minister Giovanni Tria will face a pretty tough time today at the meeting of EU finance ministers. Brussels has overwhelming support from the more powerful northern EU member states, while the weaker, more indebted nations like Spain and Portugal, for example, they may express sympathy for Rome's stance in private but are more likely to support Brussels publicly. The 3-week deadline for Rome to amend its budget is November the 13th, so we've got a little over a week until the next potential clash. And until there is either comment or action on either side, the euro is likely to remain on the back foot. We saw euro dollar touch a high of 114.55 on Friday before closing down around 113.85 as the dollar regained its composure. Nonfarm payrolls, it posted 250,000 new jobs in October. So once again, I lost the sweepstake. Wage inflation was 3.2% and that helped the dollar index higher to 96.60, even though the September data was revised even lower from 134 down to 118,000 new jobs in September. This week is all about the midterm elections, with the economy pretty healthy and the interest rate differential likely to widen further. The dollar should see continued support regardless of the election result, but expect a little volatility nonetheless. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.